In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a recurring invoice to your client. If you bill clients on a regular schedule, recurring invoices save time and reduce mistakes. Today, I'll walk you through getting one out the door confidently, while making sure everything looks right before you hit send. Start on your main dashboard and head straight to the billing area. Click Invoices. This takes you to your central hub for all things billing: one-time invoices, drafts, and of course, recurring setups. From here, we'll move into the place where your automated schedules live. Next, click Recurring Templates. This section contains the templates that generate invoices on a repeat schedule, such as monthly retainers or subscription-style services. Think of these templates as the blueprint the system uses every cycle. Open your recurring invoice. If you have many, use the search bar or filters to find the right client or template name. Click to open the template you plan to send and give the page a second to load so you can see all the details clearly. Before you send anything, review invoice details carefully. Confirm the client's information is correct, including company name and billing address. Double-check the schedule settings, frequency, start date, end date, if there is one, and the next send date. Scan the line items to make sure descriptions are accurate, quantities and rates are correct, and any discounts or taxes are applied properly. Verify the currency, payment terms, and due date so your client knows exactly when payment is expected. If your invoice includes notes or a message, read them aloud to yourself to ensure the tone and instructions are clear. It's also smart to verify the total, including tax, and that any reference numbers match your internal records. If something looks off, make your edits now so the template remains accurate for future cycles. When everything checks out, click Send. 2. This button opens your sending options. You'll typically see choices like emailing the invoice directly or sharing a secure link. Pick the method your client prefers. Finally, send the invoice to your client. If you're emailing, confirm the recipient address and subject line, and include a brief, professional message that summarizes what the invoice covers and the due date. Attach any relevant documents if needed, then send. Wait for the confirmation or success message, and you're done. Keep an eye on delivery notifications or read receipts so you know the invoice arrived, and you're set for a smooth recurring billing cycle every time.